Pom pom pom. Happy Halloween, Garbage Family Show friends.
Roman, what was that?
Sounded like a wolf.
Garbage Family Show. Truck or Treat 4.
Happy Halloween, Garbage Family Show friends. Do you have a favorite Halloween tradition? Like carving pumpkins, trick-or-treating, or getting dressed up in a costume? Can you guess what my Halloween tradition is? Following the garbage truck. What else do you expect from the Garbage Family Show? Looks like this video has been turned into another truck-or-treat video. Watch out for some spooky surprises.
Roman, did you see that? It's a ghost flying over the garbage truck.
Sure looks like it.
Let's get out of here. Oh, there's a spider. Happy Halloween, Garbage Family Show friends. It's Gracey. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And if you haven't, give this video a like because it helps us out a lot. Trick or treat. There's so much candy, it's hard to see the truck.
Tell me about it. This is some kind of trick. Glad that candy corn is gone. Back to recycling. That skeleton clearly can't stand the smell. And he's out of here. Happy Halloween, Garbage Family Show friends. It's that time again. Have you seen the Halloween videos we've made in the past with our garbage and recycling trucks? If not, head to our channel and check it out. I've had some pretty fun costumes. Happy Halloween, Garbage Family Show friends.
Happy Halloween, everybody. If you go trick-or-treating, be safe.